Hello students, hope you all are having a good time. In today's class we are starting a new chapter, that is carbon and its compounds. Why only carbon and its compounds, why not other elements? Carbon has got millions of compounds when compared to other elements. It has some unique features. Let us discuss the introduction to the chapter. The food we eat, the clothes we wear, the fuels we use, the cosmetics we use, all these contain carbon. You have number of products of carbon. Now, what is the atomic number of carbon? The atomic number of carbon is 6. So, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That is, in the outermost shell it has got 4 electrons. So, in order to become stable, carbon needs 4 more electrons. This can be done either by losing 4 electrons or by gaining 4 electrons. But what is the problem in losing and gaining? Let us see. If carbon has to lose 4 electrons, it requires very high amount of energy to remove these electrons, which is not possible. Next is, if it has to gain 4 electrons, carbon electronegativity is only 2.5, then 6 protons should attract 10 electrons, which is not possible. So, either losing 4 electrons or gaining 4 electrons is not possible. So, carbon goes for sharing 4 electrons. Okay, how does this sharing happens? It can share 1 electron with 4 identical atoms, or it can share 4 electrons with 4 unidentical atoms, or it can form 1 double bond and 2 single bonds, and it can form 1 triple bond and a single bond like this. Let us see the examples. Here carbon can form 4 single bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms. It can form 4 covalent bonds with 4 chlorine atoms. It can form 4 single bonds with 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 chlorine atom and bromine atom. It can form a double bond with carbon atom and 2 single bonds with 2 hydrogen atoms, so that the tetravalency is satisfied. Or it can form 3 triple bonds with 1 carbon atom and 1 single bond with hydrogen atom. So, this can happen like this. Now, what is the electronic configuration in the ground state? The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That is, in s orbital it has 2 electrons, in second s orbital it has 2 electrons, in p orbital it has got 2 electrons. Now, in the excited state, 1 electron jumps to the px orbital. So, it will have 4 electrons, 4 individual electrons in sp orbitals. Now, these 4 electrons will form 4 single bonds. Now, where does the energy for this excitation comes? The energy for this excitation comes from energies called bond energy, which are liberated energies when bonds are formed. Okay, that is about the carbon. This is about the introduction of the carbon atom. Let me repeat once again. Why does carbon atom not gain 4 electrons, or it does not lose 4 electrons? That is because of, if it gains 4 electrons, 6 protons need to have a hold on 10 electrons, which is not possible, and carbon electronegativity is only 2.5. Other way of becoming stable is, it has to lose 4 electrons. The energy that is required to remove this 4 electrons is very, very high. So, either losing gain electrons or gaining 4 electrons is not possible. So, carbon goes for sharing 4 electrons. It can happen with number of ways. It can happen in number of ways. Either it can form 4 single bonds with 1 carbon atom, can form 4 single bonds with same type of atom. It can form 4 single bonds with different types of atom. It can form a double bond and 1 double bond and 2 single bonds. It can form 1 triple bond and a single bond. So, all this can happen with carbon atom. That is why it has got number of products, number of compounds. Now in the ground state the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, that is it has got 2 unpaired electrons in the ground state. In the excited state, 1 electron jumps to the pz orbital. Now it has got how many electrons? 4 unpaired electrons. These 4 unpaired electrons form 4 covalent bonds. This is in the excited state. The energy for the electron to jump to excited state comes from the bond energies, which are liberated when actually the bonds are formed. So that is about the introduction of carbon and its compounds. We shall continue the next topic in the next class.